lo pedí, pero me dijiste que lo pagaron o no.
Yo también soy vampira, pero...
¿Así también?
Like, I'm both.
Es que
I love the sun and I'm also kind of a vampire.
es de cáncer.
Yeah, but on the other hand, ladies and gentlemen, hustlers don't sleep. Okay. Hey guys, I'm homeless. So starting next week, I'm opening up a business called a bunch of naked girls that clean your fucking car. Y también se habla español. But yeah, we're just gonna get a bunch of bitches that have no clothes on, and you know, we're just gonna just clean your car. Whatever you gotta do. The thing is, you might leave with your car dirtier than it was. Pero vale la pena. There's a highway over there. There's the sunset, there's the day, there's the sky. I'm just gonna go over there and just go like this and be like, hey, car wash everybody. Oh, it's dirty right here. Oh wait. The thing is, you gotta get all those spots that are so dirty. Like, oh shit, there's somewhere over here. I just have to get this card too. Alright. Give me my fucking tip, bitch. Wait, those... Yeah, I didn't realize I was making that silly video, and the whole time this girl was like, excuse me, you left the door open, I can't get inside of my car, and I'm angry because I don't look good like you. Yo, you know what, bitch, you know, shit doesn't happen for free, alright? Like, it's not easy. It's a cruel world. Like, in my planet, everyone is, ah! Oh! Going back. Oh man, there's so, anyway, yeah, so for the bitch in the car over there that was talking shit, go fuck yourself. I'll fuck your husband. I mean, like, if there's a problem, you know, maybe you should just wake up and throw up your breakfast. It's a cruel world out there. On my planet, everyone's equal, but we're not on my planet now, are we? So give me the money for the fucking car wash. Yeah, that's right. Now go fuck yourselves. Okay, that's all.